A tug of war is brewing as some call for tightening public health restrictions on large gatherings, while others try to balance COVID response with economic concerns. KITV4's Kristen Concilio reports on why city leaders believe now is not the time for the government to intervene.
Despite the huge spike in COVID cases, city officials say it's not enough to trigger new restrictions just yet.
This is a balance in keeping people working, keeping the economy open, keeping people doing what they want to do.
The city's Emergency Services Department Director, Jim Ireland, says there were 47 COVID patients in Oahu hospitals today, just 5 in the ICU.
Compared to what we were in previous spikes, those are very manageable numbers.
Honolulu Mayor Rick Blangiardi previously mentioned he wouldn't consider new restrictions unless hospitalizations reach at least 300.
We have to reinstate some of these restrictions.
But longtime epidemiologist DeWolf Miller says he and other disease experts are shocked and appalled there are still large gatherings as the Omicron variant rapidly spreads across Oahu.
This is like sticking your head in the sand in Waikiki and hoping it's going to go away after it's already here. We're putting our whole medical system infrastructure at risk.
He's calling for new restrictions on gatherings to keep infections and deaths at bay.
You have the numbers, you're going to see people die.
Lieutenant Governor Josh Green agrees there should be smaller gatherings throughout the holidays to prevent super spreading.
We will know how bad it's going to be for people going to the hospital by about January 1st.
City leaders say they are carefully monitoring hospital numbers daily. Ireland emphasized just because the government is not putting a lid on big gatherings right now, people should alter their own behavior to mitigate their risk. Kristen Concilio, KITV4 Island News.